Hello everyone. So today is a bit of a different video because this is actually the second time I made this video. The first time I made it, I uh, I was like 99% done. I just had to adjust one thing and then the light went out. And me being an idiot, I did not save the progress. So I had to redo the entire design all over again. And yeah, this time I'm just gonna like redo my steps. So there's not gonna be a lot of experimentation. The experimentation will happen, but not as much. So yeah, I'm just gonna retrace my steps for now. And the first step I did was just to get this Marshall amp cut out and into my main canvas. So yeah, I made a cutout, put it onto the canvas, and then I put a like a reddish background. Like I'm picking the color from the amp and putting it on the back, and this will serve as like a headlining or kind of like a text background actually. And then I made a headline in the background called "Amplify Your Soul." I did not come up with that actually. I asked the co-pilot, the AI that I use, to write it for me, and it gave me a couple of options, and I thought that "Amplify Your Soul" kind of really captures the mood that I was going for. So I uh, picked that, and before this design, I actually used a different font, but now in the second time, I decided to use Cable Black, which is a very vintage looking font, uh, and I think that since the design is very like much inspired from the 70s and 80s, I thought this would be a good idea. And now I just duplicated it, turned the fill off, and added a red stroke. And this idea actually came from a different video that I saw, and it was also for a vintage design. So I just kind of like, I guess you could say, I stole it from this video, but it it works with the design, so I just used that idea. And now I'm gonna put the, I think I'm gonna put the text. No, I'm adjusting the uh, yeah, I'm adjusting the amp. It was too big. So yeah, now I'm gonna put the text in. And yeah, this was the text. This was too long, so I decided to just only copy the last few lines. And yeah, and the problem with the bottom text was that since it was too so long, it took a very long while for me to adjust it. So I actually cut that whole section out. And yeah, now I'm just adjusting it to match with the design, because I also want the corners to be uh, empty, because I'm going to put something on there actually. So yeah, and now the text is done. I'm going to add an element actually, which is like a guitar, but like duplicated on both sides in black and white, which I thought was a cool touch. And yeah, this was the guitar that I found online, which really works with this, in my opinion. So it's like the quintessential guitar shape that you would think of when you think of amps and music. You think of this guitar. So I'm just putting it on the side as a design element and copying it to the other side, inverting it, and yeah, that was it. And now I'm just gonna make it completely low saturation, so it's black and white. And there's other ways to uh, make it black and white, but I think that this is the best way. And yeah, now I'm doing some sort of uh, experimentation now, like putting like a very sketchy, not perfect by design actually, but like very sketchy, like a background l- layout, I guess you would say, like a sketchy stroke in the back to give it a very, like, I would say, sort of a handmade feel, but it didn't work, so I scratched it. And now I changed the background color to make it look more like a paper, and added a curve to the whole design, because I think it looks better this way in my opinion. The previous one wasn't working well. And I found a texture online of this like paper to again give it this like vintage papery look, and I really like that one, so I kept it. I Right now it's on soft light, but I think I'm gonna change it to like a vivid or like hard light. No, yeah, I think I'm gonna put it on screen. Yeah, so this was the texture that I found, and I saved both, like I saved two different versions of the design. One is without this like scratchy texture, and one is with the scratchy texture. So at the end, let me know which one did you like the most. Did you like the scratchy sort of vintage look to it, or do you like it without the scratchy texture on top of it? So yeah, now I'm just like adjusting the texture and like adding minor details to the design, because and I didn't actually put the texture on top of the amp because it was looking very bad, so I put it on the back. This is the original one without the stretchy texture, without the like rough feel to it. And I like this one too, but actually my brother prefers the other one, the scratchy one. So let me know which one do you like. Do you like this one, or do you like this one? This is the scratchy one. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, and uh, do write in the comment like which one do you like? Do you like this one? Do you like the other one? Let me know.